Hey you guys, it's your girl KaylaB. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. I got my Boxycharm in the mail and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. Probably try some stuff out. Don't know what's in here. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a $25 a month beauty subscription that you get 5 full-size products. Basically anything beauty, even tools, and even body lotion or hair care products. You just get it. And it's like a surprise. It's like Christmas in a box every single month. Anyways, if you want to see what's in here or if you're interested, everything will be linked down below. Go check the description and let's get into this. Yes. So when you open up the box, this is what the box looked like. I can see a card. A card, you guys. We finally got a card after so many times. I didn't get a card. By the way, premium got a notification that it was sent. The information was sent on the 14th. This one was sent on the 15th, but this one came first. Don't understand that, but okay. I know the different variations, and my variation that I got was the number 47. Haven't seen this variation, so I am very interested. But I know one of the products because every single month you get to choose a product, and I chose One Skin. Yes, this is the Pollution Defiance Booster. It's just basically a serum for getting, that protection on. Okay, it's $135. $135. But One Skin is very expensive skincare brand, so I already knew it was going to be a big money's hicker. This is a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antibiotics. I like it. I like that. Hashtag One Skin Sunshine. Okay, so that's $135 right there. Definitely paid for the box. That's all I can say. It definitely paid for the box. That's what I wanted out of the choices. That's one of the things I wanted because I don't really have that many serums left. I just finished my Caudalie serum. Yeah, and then I still have that serum from Allure, that like vitamin C, I don't know what, booster serum. So that's the next serum that's gonna be in my rotation. I just saw something I wanted, but I'm not gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for the repeat. Okay, I got this brow pencil before. This is the KVD Signature Brow Pencil. I got this brow pencil and my premium. They're in the same count, so they should know already, but I got it already, and this is in the wrong shade. This is in taupe. This is too light for me, so I am gonna put it in one of my giveaways. And if you, because I really do like the brow pencil, but if you guys are not taupe, tell me if you win it. I'm gonna put it in box A. By the way, I have a giveaway going on. The winner will be picked at the end of this month. It will be in the cards. It probably already popped up. Go check it out. It's also in the description. Go check out stuff in the description. Link in the description. All right, so this retails for $22. And no, that's disappointing. Okay, it was 3 variations. This is the Ace Beauty Blush Palette, Blushed in Paradise. Or you got a bronzer palette, which I knew would never fit me. Or you could get a actual palette from Pure Eye Palette. And I wasn't really interested in that. So it comes with a mirror. And I can actually use these shades. I can actually use these shades. Wow. Here are the shades swatched. Everybody said they're kind of similar, but they're not. This pink thing, this pink one, hot pink one right here, it reminds me of my Kokie Cosmetics. And this is like more corally, and then this is more hot pink, and then this is like plummy pink. Like, I actually like this blush palette. I didn't think I was gonna like it because I didn't like any of the 3 options. I wish the Hourglass options was by itself because I wanted the Hourglass brow pencil, but you know, you can't be beggars, can't be choosers, you know. But I'm excited about that. All right, so 2 excited items on repeat. Let's keep on going. Oh, by the way, this retails for 30 bucks. Well, it does come with a mirror. Let's just put that out there. It does come with a mirror. 30 bucks. By the way, the theme is sunshine. Do I get sunshine from this? Probably not. If it had anything with SPF, I probably would. So the next thing is something that I didn't want. I kind of wanted one of the lip options instead of this. But you know, I got this. This is the Creme Ready Set Glow Cushion Highlighter by the Creme Shop. It's in rose gold. And the packaging is really pretty. It's very reflective. It has a powder puff and a mirror. And here's the packaging. And it's really cute. It says Ready Set Glow on the back. But I know for a fact I will never use this. It's a liquid highlighter, and I have 2 liquid highlighters, and do I use them? No, I do not. So because of that, I'm putting this also into the giveaway. So whoever wins, I think I'm gonna put it in box B or box A. You will know when I do the video, but I will be putting this in a giveaway too. So go check that out. And I really do love rose gold highlighters. I kind of want to open it and I kind of want to play with it, but I know for a fact that I'm not gonna use it. I know for a fact I'm not going to use it. And I have so many highlighters that I'm going to use that will end up expired. So, because of that, I'm putting that in this giveaway. Yep, no, I'm not. I'm not going to, no, I'm putting it in the giveaway. Okay, yeah. Again, link in the description or in the cards. Now, the one thing that we were waiting for, well, I was waiting for, the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Scent in a setting spray. Oh my gosh, this is $22. And I was gonna buy this during the whole Boxycharm add-ons thing, but I was like, yo, I have 2 chances of getting it in my box, in my either base box or premium box. So I want to get this. So now that I know I got this in my base box, I probably won't get it in my premium box. Or probably they sent me this by accident. They should have sent me an Hourglass product. We don't know until I get my premium. So that video will be coming up soon. If you want to know the total, if you want to know how to get these products by itself, everything will be linked down below. And let's add up the total. But first, let's see the spray. Here's what the packaging looks like. Oh my gosh, I kind of just want to, I'm going to save it for first impressions, but it's so beautiful in person. I'm so excited. Okay, anyways, the total of the box is, so the final total is $231 for my base box, and I only paid $25, and only 1 product was a repeat. Yes, if I rate this, it is 4 out of 5 because 1 product is a repeat, and I would have loved to try a new product, a new highlighter, a liquid highlighter. I probably would have liked it, but I have so many highlighters that I'm like, Kayla, you need to slow down with blushes. After this and the blush kit, I'm done with blushes. This is an orange one. No, I'm done with blushes. I might be getting rid of some subscription boxes very, very soon because I just have a lot of stuff and I need to use what I have. Okay, I need to use what I have. So that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. Have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And again, everything will be linked down below if you want to get in contact with me. And go check out the video for the giveaway of seeing what I have in store for you guys.